Still using regular table sugar? It's time to rethink your sweetening game. Hello, today we are going to look at sugar. Most sugar we consume today is made from genetically modified corn or beets, and often packed with high fructose corn syrup, leading to insulin spikes and health issues. Plus, it's lurking in nearly every processed food we eat. So, if you want to sweeten up your smoothies, baked goods, or coffee without the health risks, stick around. I've got the top 5 sugar substitutes that are both tasty and better for your body. First up, we have dates. These little guys are not just sweet. They're packed with fiber that helps keep your blood sugar in check. But that's not all. Dates are loaded with potassium, which helps reduce those annoying insulin spikes. Whether you're blending them into your smoothies or baking with them, dates are a deliciously natural way to satisfy your sweet tooth and boost your health. Number 2 is stevia. This sweetener is a powerhouse. Stevia is 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, but without the blood sugar spike. Plus, it's calorie-free and diabetic-friendly. Just a little goes a long way, so you'll need to adjust your measurements when swapping it for regular sugar in recipes. It's perfect for those who want all the sweetness with none of the guilt. At number 3, we have monk fruit. This one has a fascinating history, used by Buddhist monks since the 13th century. Super sweet, around 200 times sweeter than sugar and tastes close to the real thing. Plus, with 0 calories and potential health benefits like antioxidants, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties, it's a must-try if you're looking to lower your calorie intake without sacrificing flavor. Next up is sucanat, a minimally processed cane sugar that retains its molasses, giving it a deeper, richer flavor. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's packed with vitamins and minerals. While it's not necessarily low on the glycemic index, it does have a lower glycemic impact than regular white sugar. Just use it in moderation. It's a great alternative to reduce sugar intake without giving up your favorite sweet treats. Another one is inulin, a natural sugar found in chicory root, and it's a prebiotic superstar that promotes a healthy gut microbiome. It's mildly sweet, so you'll need to use more to get the sweetness you're after, but it's a fantastic way to support your digestion while still enjoying some sweetness in your life. Last but certainly not least, allulose. This is a sugar first discovered in figs, and it comes with some truly remarkable benefits. Allulose is the first sweetener ever approved by the FDA as a prebiotic, making it a game changer for gut health. Studies show that adding allulose to your coffee can prevent the usual blood sugar spike. Research shows that adding allulose to your diet can help reduce weight without changing anything else. It's a sweetener that not only satisfies your cravings but also packs some serious health perks. Here is a quick and simple recipe you will love. Date and coconut energy bites. Ingredients: 1 cup pitted dates, preferably medjool for their sweetness and chewiness. If the dates are not soft enough, soak them in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then drain them. Once softened, chop them roughly into smaller pieces for easier processing. 1/2 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, plus extra for rolling. 1/4 cup almond flour or any nut flour of choice. 2 tablespoon chia seeds, optional for extra nutrition. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, melted. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional for flavor. Pinch of sea salt. 1 to 2 tablespoon maple syrup or raw honey, optional depending on your sweetness preference. In a food processor, add the dates, shredded coconut, almond flour, chia seeds, if using, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. Process everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Add maple syrup or raw honey if using. Pulse again to incorporate. Roll the dough into small bite-sized balls, about 1 inch in diameter. If the mixture feels too sticky, you can wet your hands with a little water or coconut oil to make rolling easier. Roll each energy bite in extra shredded coconut to coat them evenly. Place the bites on a plate or tray and refrigerate for about 20 to 30 minutes to firm up. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Let me know which one is your favorite, and don't forget to enjoy healthy living.